What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Rim Vlog. On today's episode of the Rim Vlog, I bring out my inner Iverson. I think we have a success.
AI.
All right, I'm done. My braids are officially done. I got my whole Allen Iverson look down. I'd like to thank Long Beach Leah for doing my do. I'll put a description in the bottom for you, so if you guys want to get your hair done, you can hit her up. She did a great job. Thank you. We're pre-gaming. We're going on a whale watch tour out of Long Beach. Hopefully we see some blue whales today. Whale watching was a failure. We didn't see one whale. I did see a spray. We didn't see any whales. We did see a couple dolphin pods and that was cool, but no whales. Damn it. Anyway, I came home from the gym today and Nicole comes up to me and says that she went for a run. I never really believe her when she says she worked out because I'm always busting her balls. But she goes and shows me her phone and lo and behold, she ran, I think it was like 4.2 miles. So naturally, that means I have to up her. She's gonna go 4.2 miles. I'm gonna go 5.2 miles. Let's go. I have to pause this run. Because I cannot believe how many straws are on this beach right now. There's so many straws on this beach right now. It's sickening. I'm gonna start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in the 20s already. Let me go the other way I was going. Watch. Hey, people out there who make straws, the impact is real. As we're walking along here, there's still straws everywhere. Look, everywhere you look. Every other city we go, every other video, there's a straw on the ground. Straw on the sand, I should say. Look, I'm on the edge of the water. Got more right here. I mean, there is a sea of plastic as well, but look at all these straws. Dear straw companies, we gotta do some biodegradable straw for everybody, because this is ridiculous. There's gotta be over 100 straws just in this small little circle right here. That was a depressing little pit stop that I needed to do. Wow, I'm gonna try to run the pain away. All right, Nicole, that 4.2, I'm coming after you. Here I come, baby. I'm coming to get ya.
Coming to get you.
All right, Nicole, I'm at mile 1. Mile 1. Guess what, Nicole? I'm at mile number 3. This sand is really hard to run in. This sand feels like fresh concrete. Every step is so hard to get through. It seems as though I forgot to hit the resume button on my little app here. So right now I'm at 3.9 miles. And I probably just ran an extra 1.5 miles that it didn't account for, but that's okay, Nicole. I'm giving you 1.5 miles. I am still gonna hit my mark. Let's continue on these jagged rocks. I hope I don't pull myself. So I'm at 4.18 miles. The first pace running in the sand was 9 minutes and 23 seconds per mile. Not too bad when you consider the type of terrain I was running in right now. I think I can knock it down to 8.12 on the average pace. Hey Nicole, I'm at the 5 mile mark. 5 mile mark. I'm back, Nicole, and that means I just hit mile number 6. Number 6. Hey Nicole, it's me again. Just checking in on mile 7. So my phone just died on me. I knew I couldn't make it through this without running to some sort of a snafu. Well, at least I took a screenshot of the mileage I had done, so I think I topped out at about 7.3 miles. It's a little bit more than I thought I was gonna do, but not as much as I was actually attempting to do. While we're talking about pollution and whatnot, Long Beach, I have a suggestion for you. See these trash cans? It's great, you have trash cans, but you don't have lids on them. So if you get a nice gust of wind, a lot of what's in this trash can is gonna fly out and go everywhere. If the birds don't get to it because there's no lid on it. If there was a lid on there, we wouldn't have that problem. We would still have a problem. We have a major problem, but at least we could stop and maybe help with this problem. You got it? Let's get to work.